Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best mini accents for the classroom. Edupress Crayons Mini Accents. If you're a teacher, parent, or anyone looking to add a fun, colorful touch to your classroom or learning space, these mini accents are designed to bring just the right amount of creativity and charm to bulletin boards, walls, and other educational displays. Edupress Crayons Mini Accents come in a vibrant multicolor pack, capturing the classic look of crayons that everyone recognizes. Their small size makes them perfect for decorating without overwhelming your space, giving you plenty of options for customization. Whether you want to highlight student work, create themed displays, or add simple decorative accents, these crayons fit seamlessly into any classroom setup. One of the standout features of these mini accents is their durable cardstock construction. This means they are sturdy enough to hold up through the school year without bending, tearing, or losing their vivid colors. Because they are made in the United States, you can expect consistent quality and attention to detail in each package. The compact dimensions of the package make it easy to store and transport, which is especially useful for teachers who often move between classrooms or need to pack materials for different school events. Plus, their lightweight nature means you can carry a whole lot of these colorful crayons without any hassle. These mini accents offer a simple yet effective way to brighten up the classroom environment. They inspire creativity not only through their colors but also by evoking the nostalgic charm of crayons, a timeless symbol of early learning and imagination. Whether you are decorating a bulletin board for back-to-school season, preparing materials for arts and crafts, or just looking to add a cheerful touch to your classroom, Edupress Crayons Mini Accents provide versatility and style. Their multicolor design means you don't need to buy multiple sets to get a range of hues, saving you time and effort when planning your displays. In summary, Edupress Crayons Mini Accents are a must-have for anyone who wants an easy, colorful, and durable way to enhance educational spaces. From quality materials to practical size and bright colors, these mini accents deliver everything you need to make your classroom more inviting and inspiring. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more on classroom supplies and educational tools, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.